Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great and staying safe. So I created this glam party makeup tutorial for you guys to check out for any party occasions. So we have New Year coming, which is around the corner, and I thought why not I create a smoky glam party makeup look, and I love the way how it has turned out. So if you want to check on how I created this look, then keep on watching. Before going further, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell button so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. So without any further blabbering, let us continue to the tutorial. So firstly, I'm going to moisturize my skin. I'm going to use Tijori Papaya Face Cream, and I'm going to take a good amount of moisturizer to moisturize and prep my skin. I have a very dry skin, and I will make sure that I layer a good amount of moisturizer and serum so that my makeup doesn't have any cracks. For serum, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus serum, and this is a very good serum for all those people who have a dry skin, and it will make sure that it have a hydrating effect on your skin before you apply foundation. Next, I'm going to hide my hyperpigmented areas under my eyes and around my mouth. For that, I'm going to use Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. So this is a very good concealer to hide all your hyperpigmented areas. And for that I'm going to use PAC 219 concealer brush, and make sure that you follow the damping motion and do not drag your product so that the concealer have cracks. Now I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the number 106 Sun Beige, and this is a full coverage foundation, so I'll make sure that I apply a little amount and blend it very properly so that the foundation is evenly spread onto your skin. Now to highlight my face, I will be using Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, and I will be applying it under my eyes, around my mouth, and on the nose and the bridge area, and I will be blending it with the same PAC 219 brush. Then I'm going to use Physician Formula's Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, and I'm going to bronze up my face to give a dimension and shape to my face. So this is a very good bronzer, and it glides on very smoothly onto your skin. Then I'm going to use Physician Formula's blush in the shade Natural Glow. Again, this is a very good blush and a nude kind of a blush for all the skin tones, and it has a little bit sheer to it. So even if we do not apply a highlighter, it will give a radiant effect to your makeup. Then I'm going to set my concealer with Maybelline Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium, and I'm going to take a sponge and apply it under my eyes and around my mouth wherever I have applied the concealer. And
will not keep it for a longer time since I have a dry skin, and will uh, quickly wipe it off with a brush. Then I'm going to use Maybelline highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm going to highlight the highest points of my face, around my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, the cupid bow, and around my chin. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows, and then for that I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose Reloaded palette, and I'm going to take the dark brown shade from the palette and fill in my brows. Firstly, I'm going to comb down the hair in the downward direction, and then fill in the gaps, and then we'll brush off all the hair to a similar direction. Now I've zoomed you in, guys. So firstly, I'm going to take a lighter brown shade and apply it around the crease area, and also take it all over my lid with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to take a darker brown shade from the same palette and apply it all over my lid, so that we get a brown smoky kind of effect. Then I'm going to take the lightest shade from the palette and blend all the harsh lines that have been created, so that it gives a blended effect and all the eyeshadows are evenly blended. From the same palette, we are going to take this shimmery golden shadow and apply it on the center of the lid. I'm going to apply it using my finger because it gives a good pigmentation with your fingers, and then I will be blending it with the eyeshadow using a precise brush. Next, I'm going to apply Maybelline Kajal on the lower waterline, and I'm also taking it on my upper waterline, and then blending that kajal with a brown shadow from the Makeup Revolution palette, so that you have a blended eyeshadow effect going on your lower waterline as well. Then I'm going to apply some lashes from PAC. These are in the number M72, and look guys, this gives you a fuller effect. I'm going to highlight my inner corners and brow bone with the Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, and it will give you a very good radiant and glowy effect. So now I'm going to use Maybelline Matte Ink Lipstick in the number 118 Dancer, and this is a tomato red color, and I thought that this will go and definitely match the new year glam look that we are going to create. You can obviously go for another nude lipstick as per your liking. So if you see, I've messed up a little bit here on my lipstick, but you can always correct it with a concealer and blend it with a foundation, and then you can top it up with a loose powder.
So guys, this is the final makeup look. I love the way it has turned out. and I'm definitely going to carry this makeup look for New Year's Eve party. And I will mention all the product links in the description box if you want to check them out. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.